The Microsoft Excel now features a new tool, which is the image function that lets you insert images and puts a photo within an Excel cell. With this function, you can create, resize cells, or move them no matter how you want to adjust the rows and columns. So to know more about the feature, keep watching on this video. So to start, launch the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet file where you want to insert an image, and then click on the cell. Then, enter the following formula, and insert the corresponding values based on their description. Now the source includes the URL of the image file. The alt text is an alternative text or description of your image. The sizing indicates the dimensions of your image. The height indicates the height of the image. And the width indicates the width of the image. So once you're done inputting all the description like this, you have to press the Enter key and wait for your image to appear. Now that's how you can insert your image on a cell in the Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.